gonna still wet that line, y'all. 4 lines at 49. It's never too late to get you a record. Uh-oh. What's this? What you got, hon? You got a trout. I'm still videotaping. This is live, y'all. The missus has got a trout. Yeah, Rainbow. Bring it on over, hon. And stay far, far, far away from the bank. Because that sucker's coming home with us. Yeah, good job, hon. Yay, let's go over here and get pics and stuff. I was about to turn the video camera off. I was doing my 4 lines at 49. And my honey snags a trout. I know it. She's trying to show me out, y'all. Yeah. Den again. All right, let me put this down real quick.